How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we're going to take a look at Polygon Matic and look at if it's too late to buy. So over the last 24 hours, we do have a couple cryptos like Solana. They're up a decent amount, 5%. Terra Luna, it's up about 6%. But what's really doing well is Polygon. They're up 21%. So we're going to look at why that's happening now and whether it's too late to buy. This is one of my bigger holdings, actually. And I've been talking about it for a while. You can actually see here at about a month ago, I said that this was a cheap $2 crypto that will blow up if something big happens. We'll talk about what that will be here today. I've also talked about it pretty much every single month in the top cryptos to buy because there is a massive catalyst that I think could take it up exponentially. And they are creating new partnerships. I am just really excited about them. So they're a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. They're also a layer 1. But we're going to get into that. If you guys don't mind, hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. I really do like it. I really do appreciate it when you guys hit those buttons, and it helps out the channel a lot. Also, if you want to know what I'm buying and selling, because we just had some big news from a crypto that I've talked about actually a good amount over the last couple of weeks. Donkey Finance is joining KuCoin. So they shot up in price. They went up to about $1.20 or so. And if you guys want to know exactly when I buy cryptos like Donkey or like Polygon, you can check out the link down below to Patreon. This is the best time of the month to join that because you get the whole month essentially. And there is a link down there to BlockFi in case you want an interest rate on your cryptocurrency. So definitely check that out underneath the video. Now, let's take a look at Polygon. So I am very bullish on Polygon. They have this article here talking about why it's been moving up recently, and they give a variety of reasons. So first of all, we know that Ethereum is just very expensive. It costs so much money to run something on Ethereum and to pay the gas fees on Ethereum that a lot of people just can't do it. And that's only going to be more and more the case as time goes on, as it gets more congested, unless they get some better scaling solution. But right now, Polygon makes it so easy to run transactions. So this is the reason why Matic's exploding recently. One of the biggest drivers of Matic price and on-chain activity has been the addition of new protocols launched and cross-chain migrations. So IDEX Decentralized Exchange announced it would launch V3 of its exchange on the Polygon network, making it the hybrid liquidity DEX on Polygon. There are also other DEXs like Uniswap, and they are moving over to add Polygon support. There's rising institutional support. So the network has benefited from a $20 million investment launched by Wintermute, a digital asset market maker. There are also several ETP exchange traded products that have added Polygon recently, including 21 shares Polygon ETP in November, just making it easier to get a hold of. And there are more wallet users and more activity on Polygon overall. Now, I see more and more companies working with Polygon. So the major thing, before we get into the price targets and how high Polygon can go, before we get into that, one of the major things that I see that could happen for Polygon is if the new Coinbase platform allows you to use Polygon. So right now, their platform has millions of people waiting for it. And they have no layer 2 scaling solution. So right now, it's only going to be based on Ethereum. That's going to congest the network in a way that I can't even imagine. Right now, OpenSea is the biggest burner of Ethereum after EIP 1559, and it looks like it's going to be maybe a tenth the size of Coinbase's NFT platform. So that is going to be crazy if they don't have a layer 2 scaling solution in my mind, and maybe it will take a little bit of time, but we know that OpenSea added Polygon to allow you to work with Polygon, so I think it's only a matter of time. It's too difficult to only use Ethereum, and you'll have a lot of unhappy customers. We've seen other websites and other companies do this too, like Unstoppable Domains, who's actually a partner of my channel and I work with, but they started allowing people to use Polygon too because you can mint your domains for free. So instead of these crazy gas fees, you mint them for $0. So that is going to make Polygon explode as more and more people use it, and I think it is just a great way to go for a lot of these companies. Now, TechDev gave this tweet the other day saying Matic looks remarkably similar to ETH in 2017. And then he shows the charts here. Right here, we're down around $2 Around here, we're around about 400, maybe 300. From there, it over 4x'd over to $1,400. Of course, it came down after that, but 1,400 from about 300. So a 3.5x. So a 4.5x. If we did that here from the $2 that we're at now, we're looking at $8 or $9. So if we really do get that, we would be around a 65 to 80 billion dollar market cap. Right now, we have moved up a good amount. We're up about 18% on the 24-hour. Now, we have been higher than this in the past, depending on where you look. My phone says about 270. On here, it says about 250 or so. I think we could definitely push past where we've been in the past and hit price discovery. I don't think it's out of the question to think that we could hit 50, 60, 70 billion dollars. I would not be surprised if we got to $8 this bull run, $7 this bull run. Now, I think that will be short-lived. I don't think we're going to stay up at $6, $7, $8, $9 for months on end. I think that would probably be unlikely, but I could be wrong, right? We haven't really seen that happen in the past where a layer 2 went up to that kind of market cap, but we have to remember too that if everything else moves up, if Ethereum really does go to 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, there's new network adoption, everyone wants a piece, gas fees are insane, it's only going to make sense that Polygon should do well also, especially if Coinbase has their platform roll out. And even if they don't use Polygon, the gas fees are going to be insane, and everyone else I think will be more likely to adopt Polygon. So at this point, I think it would be wise to add some Polygon to your portfolio if you don't have any, but I hate chasing the pump. I never buy when things are near all-time highs, or at least I try never to. And right now, I think we could see a little bit of a pullback in Polygon, right? There's not one massive event right now that is causing Polygon to go up. It's not like Facebook with the metaverse, right? Where all the metaverse tokens pumped up 500%. This is a nice 20% pump. I think we could definitely see a little bit of a pullback. So I would start to dollar cost average in. Maybe we never see 236 again, so that's the risk you run if you don't go all into Polygon now. Personally, I've already bought Polygon. I was buying around $1, $1.50, $1.80, right in that range. I was adding whenever we saw big dips, and I'm comfortable with my position. But again, if you don't have any Polygon, I think it is a great crypto to hold, so definitely consider it. Now, I want to hear your thoughts on this underneath the video. I really like Polygon. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the crypto market right now in general. Also, again, if you guys want to see exactly when I'm buying and selling different cryptos, you can check out the link underneath the video to Patreon. Also, check out that link to BlockFi to get an interest rate on your cryptos.